Hi there, Hélène here. I am very excited to share that I will be teaching at the Sedona Art Center in March in a 4-day workshop in encaustic painting called Drip, Drag, and Scrape. The 4-day workshop is going to be awesome. We are going to get established with encaustic painting, learn how to fuse properly, put on encaustic medium, nice and smoothly. We're going to explore how to collage and do mixed media materials with encaustic. We're going to be spending one day exploring the many ways that you can build up and scrape down encaustic painting, whether it's incising lines or dripping little things, which I call pimples, onto the encaustic panel and then scraping them off, incising lines. It's going to be a wonderful 4-day workshop, and just wanted to say hello. I wanted to share with you one viewpoint in my studio. These are my brushes, and I have a hot plate going here and a skillet, which I will be bringing with me. All of the materials you need from the class for the most part. And on the other side of me is, you can see my carving tools, and I've got some on the wall, and also a awesome container I keep for all my encaustic paint I have in solid form. Anyhow, I look forward to working with you and meeting you. I can't wait to come to Arizona, especially in March, because if you look out my window, you'll see it's very snowy and cold here. Anyhow, looking forward to seeing you in a couple of months. Feel free to drop me an email. You can text me or send me an Instagram message if you have any questions about the class. But I look forward to meeting you and spending 4 days doing encaustic painting with you. Thanks.